Hello everyone, now we are going to make homemade Nescafe and the same like cafe. So please like, share and subscribe. So now you need the French press and the picture and the Nescafe. So here we go, and this hot milk. So now we are going to open the packet of Nescafe. Here two balls are here, 1 cup for my brother, it's having the sugar, and another one is without sugar. So now I'm going to put coffee, and for my brother he need not too much coffee, but here we go. Please watch full video, because the first cup of my brother, it's not having the batter, it's not having any kind of batter, and the another one, it's having the batter. Okay, so please like, share and follow, and watch full video and share with your friends, family. And here we go, and now we mix it very nicely, because it's having the sugar, and look at the color. And now we are going to mix in the bowl. Nescafe, it's having the bitter color, so I pour one more drop some powder of Nescafe and mix it very well. So like, share and subscribe. And mixing is done. So now I'm going to take hot milk in a French press, and first of all we just going to measure what quantity it need to make 1 cup of coffee. So here we go. So now I just take that pitcher to the French press, and now going to make the same like steam milk. What I found because this milk is from the buffalo, because I'm in India, I'm not in Saudi Arabia, so it's not having that kind of same like we are having Saudi Arabia full fat. And but I try to make same like means homemade. We trying to make same like that perfect. So here we go. Now I put the French press into our pitcher. Oh, here we go. Start. I just try. Don't laugh, because it's not having any kind of pattern, because you're looking and messing with is not having any kind of what say that it seems like normal, but look at this, and it's having a good type of froth you may found in this. Here we go. Now mix it very nicely, and yes, now you may just get the good froth. And this, mix it very well nicely, because before that one is very hot. We need no need to make it very hot. This is the example before, because now I'm going to just finish the bubbles, do like this. Here we go. Now you may just found what a froth we got. Look at this froth, oh my god. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Now you got a proper froth, not yard homemade Nescafe. Thank you for watching.